is a whole different metaphysical phenomena by itself. Phenomenological phenomena, the structure of consciousness and the human experience. So, as a research scientist, I have a special interest in music. And I always had an interest in art because I couldn't understand why. If you look at all of our great predecessors, all of them were grounded in some kind of art, from Da Vinci to Picasso to everyone was into, there was something in art, and I realized what it is, and I think it's fascinating.